Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Bernadette, and she came in for a 16-week follow-up. And she looks absolutely amazing at only 4 months or 16 weeks. We've gone literally from no hair to the beginning of what to expect of her edges to come back. And we will go ahead and show before and after pictures. Bernadette, how has the past 4 months been?
It has been great. I have experienced phenomenal results with the hair growth. As expected, I was told that, you know what, 4 months you may see some growth by then, but within the third month, I start to see, you know, hair come in. My daughter, she's like, one day we were sitting in the car and she said, "Mommy, you realize you have hair?" I said, "I do." She said, "Congratulations, your hair is growing back." And I haven't, it's barely in the third month. I said, "Oh my God, bless Dr. Siegel's heart. We have done, you know, a great job here, you know. My hair is growing, I'm excited."
Well, again, I'm only as good as my technicians, and as you see Jenny in the background, she is one of the technicians, so my technicians we work as a team here at Natural Transplants. Also, I wanted to go ahead and show off the scar, and we'll show up close pictures, but if you didn't see the short hair, we had a very, very hard time going ahead and finding your scar. We had to look for about a minute or two to actually find where your scar was, and but you have exactly what we expect. These are the type of results that we get every day here at Natural Transplants. I look forward to seeing you continue to follow up with us over the next year, because we know you are just going to have amazing edges. You have beautiful hair, and this will blend nicely into the hair that you have. So Bernadette, happy Thanksgiving. It's great seeing you, and we look forward to many more hair growths and seeing you in the future also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.